Any other example,
Spider.
any other story. Wow, spider. Today's topic only it will come. Spider story. What a beautiful thing, man. What a beautiful thing about this spider story, right? Okay. Here, very simple stuff. Once there was a spider. Once there was a spider. Okay. Every day it was running here and running there. Okay. Catching the food manually. Okay. Going there, getting the food, going there, getting the food. It is going there and here to catch the food manually. Remember this one. So it's always busy. It's always busy because it has to go there to get the food. It has to go there to get the food. It has to go there to get the food. One day, what the spider did is it built a web. It built a web. Spider nest. We are using the word nest. Web. It is other word is the web. It built a web. Now what happened is so it need not to run everywhere for the food. Food started coming automatically. Small insects are going to stuck in the web. Immediately the spider is going to eat that insect. That is the purpose. Why it is created that web. Why it is created next. Okay, not to stay. To get the food. Small insects which are going on that way got stuck. Immediately this spider is going to eat that insect. It is getting the food. It is getting the food. So it became calm and stable. Remember that. So we should not do the things manually, running there, and so on. Okay. We have to build a system which is going to run automatically. What a wonderful example. Spider web. Once web is ready, once that nest is ready, now it is not required to worry about the food. Earlier, before creating web, so work was chasing the food. So it has to work, then only it is going to get the food. It has to work, then only it's going to get the food. It has to go there. To get that food, it has to work like anything. But system, once it created a web, the system was bringing the food. So always think about systems. Always think about systems. Always think about processes, ecosystems, automation systems we require to build. Without work, the things are going to work automatically. Without doing the work. Okay? Whether we are sleeping, whether we are not doing the work, but still our income should not be stopped. Our income should not be stopped. Our food should not be stopped. Like that, we require to build systems. Remember that. Okay? Building system is the most important thing. Smart work replaces hard work. Don't do. Okay? Don't do the work just like a buffalo. Don't do the work like a just a blind ox. గుడ్డు చాకరీ చేయొద్దు. కొంచెం తెలివిగా ఆలోచించండి. Build systems. Those systems are going to provide money, food, everything, always 24/7. Such type of systems you require to build. Of course, if you want to build, anyway, I'm there, don't worry at all. Slowly, the systems are going to be prepared automatically. You are not required to worry. Get it? So clear, right? What is the purpose of? So spider, what learnings we have from the spider?